Hey everybody. So yesterday we went over. Excuse me, phone's ringing. Yesterday we went over. We introduced this Street Smarts, page 36 and 37. We went over the vocabulary words distribute and opposition. Hopefully you guys have got those down pretty well. If you have not completed these yet, you need to ask for some help and get those completed. Um, Okay, awesome. So we read through this. I'm going to just start off by reading it again. Okay, Street Smarts by David Stack. A Filipino teen becomes a voice for homeless kids in Manila and wins a major award for his work. Chris Quez Valdez knows what it's like to be homeless. Quez ran away from his abusive family at age 4. He slept in a dump in Cavite City in the Philippines. When he was 7, Quez was rescued. A social worker rescued Quez after he fell into a pile of burning tires, badly burning his arms. Quez now has a home and an adoptive family. He lives with the social worker who rescued him, and he's helping kids still stuck on the streets where he used to live. By age 8, he founded Championing Community Children. This group distributes clothing and toiletries to thousands of homeless kids in Cavite City. Thanks to his passion and hard work, Quez now has something else. He won the 2012 International Children's Peace Prize, which includes a $130,000 award. The honor is given every year to a young person who works for children's rights. A Nobel Peace Prize winner presents the award. Archbishop Desmond Tutu presented Quez with the prize in a ceremony in the Netherlands. Tutu won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1984 for his opposition to apartheid, a system of inequality and racial segregation in South Africa. He called the young winner a new voice for the voiceless. Okay, so let's think about this for a minute. Okay, main idea and details. Okay, this is kind of going along the key idea, the main idea. Why did Quez win the International Children's Peace Prize? Quez won the prize because blank. I want you guys to find this in the article. Why did he win that International Peace Prize? Okay, and then you guys have probably heard this in your language arts classes. You need to cite text evidence. So just like we've talked about, Mr. Calder he's in court because he's going to go to maybe go to prison for the rest of his life for robbing a bank. Okay, underlined. So they need evidence if they're going to convict me and make me go to prison for the rest of my life. This is all a story, by the way. I hope you guys don't take me too serious. Just an example, obviously. Um, we need evidence. Okay, I need to know where you're coming from. So he won the prize because. Okay, what's an example of a reason why he won that prize? Okay, uh, because of his passion and hard work. Okay, um, because he believed in something. Okay, underline two details that describe help Quez received when he was homeless. How did the social worker help Quez to improve his life? Use a quote from the text in your response. The social worker blank. Okay? What did the social worker do to help him? And go find it within the text. Find it within these 2 pages. Okay? Make sure you have evidence directly from the text. Okay? Next question. Why did Archbishop Desmond Tutu call Quez a new voice for the voiceless? The author states that blank. Okay, I want you to go find where it talks about why he called him the new voice for the voiceless, and use your evidence, put your evidence from this text right here. It can't be your opinion, it's got to be evidence from over here. Okay? All right. I want you guys to do that and get this page turned in. Okay. All right. Very good. We're doing pretty good with this. So get that turned in. Today is Thursday. So I also want you guys. I just wanted to remind you. You need to make sure that you turn in your reading log. I will have a link for that for you to upload your reading log. Okay. No do now today. Let's just get that turned in, and then you'll turn in your reading log also. Okay. Have a great day, guys. Keep up the good work. Make sure you work hard for the substitute teacher, and that you guys are respectful, and that you just take care of our school. Okay. Um, Make sure you're doing the good things that we need. Okay. All right. Thanks so much. Have an amazing weekend, everybody.